Green infrastructure is an approach to create sustainable and attractive cities and regions by wisely using the diverse capabilities of nature. We are utilizing the diverse capabilities of nature in various ways, such as in forests, rivers, farmland, parks, green roofs, and green walls. Analyzing what capabilities are present in nature and extracting them helps to display the effectiveness of green infrastructure and solve social issues. For example, properly managing neglected forests effectively increases biodiversity and prevents disasters. Also, reusing thin wood from a forest leads to resource circulation. In addition to greenery in cities improving the scenery, it also helps to reduce the heat island effect, helps residents to relax, and leads to the creation of vibrant communities. In recent years, heavy rains accompanying climate change are causing damage from flooding almost every year. In urban areas, the abundance of paved surfaces makes it difficult for rainwater to be absorbed into the ground. Green infrastructure can help to mitigate this kind of flood damage. The local environment and terrain can be leveraged to temporarily store rainwater and re-establish the natural cycle in urban areas by which rainwater is absorbed into the soil. It also creates places for children to play outside with nature and living creatures. These are only a fraction of the rich benefits of nature. Shimizu's Green Infrastructure Plus is a concept that adds the idea and practice of restoring the rich benefits of nature to cities and regions. Shimizu has cultivated technologies and know-hows to preserve natural environments and biodiversity, while showing respect for the ecosystems in diverse regions. Green Infrastructure Plus is also a concept that helps to achieve the targets of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Green Infrastructure Plus continues to contribute to creating a sustainable society in which people and other living things coexist in a vibrant way. Please check out our Green Infrastructure Plus website for more details.